Middlesex has exceeded my expectations with the type of support they give students. There's always something going on that you can take part in, or, it's something for everyone.
I think the working relationship that we have as academic members of staff with our students is much more about partnership. It's working together. It's helping students to find their own story.
Middlesex University is so diverse. There's a lot of student societies that you could join to help you with your work and help you make friends, help your experience more better in university.
You can always find the people with a similar mindset, in similar interests. You can meet the people from different countries, with the different religions or culture. And that brings in a very unique environment. So you not only never will feel alone or different, but also you have the amazing opportunity to know other cultures and know people better.
So when we talk about student support and how we as a university interact with students, we started a simulation program, and the feedback from students was that they really enjoyed it. Based on that, we now do yearly. So we try to respond to what our students need.
What I really enjoy about working at Middlesex is that you get a lot of time to spend with your students. You really get to know them, and that it is a very collaborative environment to work with. Like at an event today where we have a lot of different sciences and healthcare professionals represented, and we all work together, support each other and learn from each other as well.
As an international student, when I got here, they guide me through every step. I wasn't lost at all. There's different kinds of people coming from different countries, but we all share the same things about our passion, and we're just learning from each other, and I think that's really a good experience.